How to use Adaptil to help dogs frightened by loud noises. Many dogs have a degree of sound sensitivity. They react to loud noises. Many behaviourists feel it could be up to 50% of dogs that are affected. What sounds are dogs sensitive to? The most common problems are fireworks or thunderstorms. However, loud bangs, gunshots and even everyday noises like the vacuum cleaner and microwave pings can affect some dogs. A fear response to a loud noise is actually a sensible protective mechanism. That noise could potentially harm the dog, but our dogs need to learn that certain noises are not a problem and that they are safe. If left unmanaged, the problem can get worse, meaning your dog may react more severely to a wider range of loud noises. It can start with fireworks, but can end up with a dog reacting to any sort of bang, or it might start reacting to events preceding the noise, so fearful behaviour can start when it rains or even dark clouds fill the sky, as these often occur before thunder is heard, or when evenings draw in and leaves start dropping off the trees, as this occurs before Bonfire Night. Being aware of how your dog reacts to loud noises can help you to prepare. There is a short survey you can take on the Adaptil website that can help you with this, or ask your vet or behaviourist for advice. So, what can you do to try and help your dog? Building a den. This needs to be in an area your dog feels the safest and most secure. You can build one using a crate or kennel, or even utilise an area your dog goes to hide, for example under the table or behind the sofa. The den should be a place of sanctuary for your dog, comfortable, warm and covered over to muffle any sounds of loud noises. Plug in an Adaptil diffuser near to the den or place a collar on your dog. Ideally this should be done a few days before an expected event or season to reduce the anxiety felt by your dog, as they may anticipate the worrying situation. The Adaptil collar and diffuser have been proven to significantly decrease the signs of fear in dogs exposed to fireworks or thunderstorms. Ignore fearful behaviour and try to act as normal as possible. I appreciate that this is difficult, as instinctively you want to try and make your dog feel better, but doing this can reinforce their feelings of fear, which is not what any of us want for our pets. Provide distractions, new toys or chews, and put the TV or radio on, playing music they find soothing. For additional support, please speak to your vet for information on Adaptil Stress Relief Now tablets. These tips help a dog cope with loud noises. To try and remove their excessive reaction to loud noises, a desensitisation plan should be considered. This helps dogs learn to remain calm whilst loud noises are occurring. For dogs with severe reactions to loud noises, please seek the advice of your vet or speak to a qualified behaviourist. Behaviour modification programs can be initiated even when the problem has been there for a while, but be prepared. It requires time, patience and dedication.